Well, the Om Shanti Om doesn't seem to have Shanti, at least not for now. Manoj Kumar, of course, has put in a case against the movie and the makers of the movie. But Farah Khan, for her part, says that, well, हम तो already क्षमा मांग चुके हैं उनसे. Here, of course, she's talking with us about the movie and more.
Well, every time I meet this woman, she has a new hat. And this time, if we are not talking about the films that she's choreographed a dance number for, it's not her film that she's directed. It's not a reality show. It's not sports. We're talking detergent here.
Can you imagine? Yeah, it's so nice to get up in the morning and do be somebody different. Because also with my connection with IPL, because I've been the face of the campaign this year and literally threatened the whole country to get up and start dancing.
So, how did your mom deal with you when you and Sajid would come back home with soiled clothes?
Yeah, I was a very good girl. I want to tell you, my clothes were really soiled, but right now I become very clumsy and I have a habit of dropping things on my clothes. Sajid had a habit of removing his clothes and throwing them down from our house. Yeah, and you can imagine him doing that. Yeah. So Sajid, yes, I don't think I've not remember seeing Sajid in clean clothes ever when we were younger.
In Bollywood, if you would like to gift this detergent to someone, who do you think deserves it the most? Who wears the most soiled clothes?
God. We can't give it to Salman because he's not wearing a shirt. He wears it less often than other heroes. But maybe someone who's washing their dirty laundry in public. You know, somebody who's doing things for publicity all the time. So maybe this is a good detergent. Then you might as well wash it with Ariel if you're going to air your dirty secrets out.
So you're first a choreographer. Assume if there's a song which is being shot at a Dhobi Ghat and you have this detergent, what is that one step you will do?
I've shot a song long ago with Shahrukh and Sridevi in a film called Army, which was at the Dhobi Ghat. And of course, the easiest step would be to, you know, do that thapka maroing step. But I would like to be little different, and I'd probably do that Salman towel step with a wet cloth or something, you know, and then flick it out and have water flying out or something.
Definitely. I would like to
You're asking very, very imaginative questions. Yes. Let me tell you, Sabha.
Okay, getting back to OSO, which released a couple of years ago.
Yes.
Still dealing with tension about it. Why? I mean, why aren't people moving on?
You know, I give up now. I give up because I've been on the best of terms with Mr. Manoj Kumar in the last 5 years. I've attended his birthdays, I take cake, and we're genuinely good friends. And I called him up and I told him it's a human error. If it's not anything intentional, in fact, I didn't even know which print was going to Japan. I think it's a matter of pride that 6 years down the line, it's getting such a huge release in a really alien country. They are loving the movie. They have no clue what the joke is about. Are you understanding? They don't have any clue. So to just go on flogging something, and you know it's a human error. Come on, you know it. We've removed it from satellite. We removed it from DVDs. I've been there umpteen times. We've apologized. Now we give up.
So at a time when films make 100 crores in the first 10 days only, here he's talking about damages worth 100 crores.
And I certainly don't have that kind of money, so I don't know, people are strange, that's all I can say. He's a genuinely nice person, I know that so I don't know, maybe somebody is advising him wrong. I can't answer this anymore. I think Eros will deal with it.
So 6 years down the line, still proud of your product?
Of course, I mean, if you had to be in Tokyo to see it, it was it was really, I felt very good. I cried at the end and all that. I didn't see the whole film. I was taken for interviews, but when I came back, and you know, it was so lovely because the Japanese people were crying and laughing, and it's such a, they were connecting and they just loved it, and they loved the song and dances and the color and the costume, and everybody unanimously, all the journals would tell me, we love the end credit sequence, you know, where every person who's worked in the movie is seen on screen and gets its due. And it's doing very well over there. It's in its third week in Japan, which is unheard of. And they had such a big premiere, and all the fans came dressed as Om and Shanti, and they wore dhotis and six-pack costumes, and they wore those Indian costumes. It was so lovely to be accepted so wholeheartedly like that. And then of course we come back and we are being sued.
Thank you so much, Farah, for your time, and glad that 6 years down the line we're still talking Om Shanti.
We are still talking and people are still getting mileage out of it. So So, but anyway, I'll be sorted. Mr. Manoj ji is a good person. Finally, I think he'll he'll sort it out.
Wishing you all the luck with that one. In Delhi with camera person Jagmohan Butola, I'm Sabah Kazi for Headlines Today.